Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Redmagic 9S Pro and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. To do it in the first step, we must open an application which supports long screenshot. It can be settings, website application, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll. In it we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot, and tap on scroll capture. And now it is scrolling. We must tap to stop it, or we can scroll manually and add more information. After we have all we need, we press done and we have our long screenshot, which is saved in our gallery when we press on this icon. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.